Now we are going to modify the color of polygons, feature or line feature. So we will change the properties of this layer, that is polygon, width, and color. For that, we have opened the fresh QGIS canvas here. Okay, then we need to load a polygon feature data. Okay, just click here. We'll use English. Okay, I will use this road network GCS and we drag it to the canvas there. Okay, this is the road network in Medan City, the capital city of North Sumatra province in Indonesia. So we have two ways to change the color, the width, or something to do with the polygon properties. First, we can right click here and click properties. Yeah, there we can resize it a little bit. Okay, we resize it a little bit. So there. Okay, this is line. We can change the color like this and we can drag it. We can hover it like that. Oh, maybe blue. Okay, then we can click apply. Please don't click OK yet because we want to preview what color or what the look of the color change we have made. Just click apply there. Okay, what about opacity? And apply. So it's becoming transparent like that. Okay, what about width here? We can first click apply and we can increase it maybe 0.66 and apply here, so it gets thicker, so we don't want too thick, so 0.26 will be fine. And there, and many setting here. So this is line. What about simple line? So this simple line has more facility to change the look of our spatial data here, like offset, stroke style. Okay, let's change the color again for maybe this, and we click apply. Stroke width the same. Okay, the same. The thickness, oh, too thin. All right. And what about the offset? Let's put 0.2. Okay, but in my experience, we don't need it very frequently. And we have the stroke style here, like this. Look, but I don't think it is a good choice for now because dash line is using frequently for administration border. And then we can choose the solid and bevel and everything else. Okay, and then we can do the opacity or transparent here, something like this, and apply here. It gets transparent. Okay, now we put it back to 100% opacity and good. And the second way is using styling panel there. Okay, no support or no layer because we haven't choose we haven't picked any layer, so just click here and there, not supported or no layers. Okay, okay, here the styling like this. Okay, this is the styling panel, and there, this is the same way how we do it in the properties there, and the same line and simple line here, and also the opacity. There's something different here is this live update. Okay, so there is no okay button here, just apply. Okay, when we choose, we change the color, something like this, it's automatically changed. See? And what about the stroke? Look, automatically change, and the opacity as well. Yeah, if we uncheck the live update here, so when we do the opacity, we decrease the opacity, doesn't change. We have to click apply first to take effect there, and same as color here, brown, and apply. See, but if we click live update again, when we change to something different, it's changed instantly. Okay, if we are good with the color, the size, the opacity, or something to do with the properties of the layer styling, then we can go to close this dialog. It's okay, there's nothing changed, it remains the same. Okay, I guess that's all for changing the properties, the color, the width of the polyline feature. Thank you.